OPPO Malaysia has just launched the OPPO A92 and here's a quick unboxing and first look of the device. The OPPO A92 has the same unboxing experience with other OPPO smartphones. This is the box that keeps the TPU case, documents, SIM tools. Next is the OPPO A92. 18W power brakes, earphone, and USB Type-C cable. This is the OPPO A92 powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 665. It has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus LCD display, a hole punch camera that houses a 16MP cameras, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB onboard storage. On the rear, it features high-gloss acrylic plastic that has some cool color gradients. The OPPO A92 equipped with a quad camera setup, a 48MP main cameras, an 8MP ultra-wide angle, 2MP depth sensor, and a dedicated 2MP macro lens. The power button on the right side doubles as a fingerprint scanner. To be surprised, it has dual speakers, one down-firing and one on the earpiece. It supports dual nano SIM and a dedicated microSD card for storage expansion. Here some photos were taken by the OPPO A92. The OPPO A92 packed with 5000 mAh battery and charged via USB Type-C with up to 18W fast charging. The OPPO A92 runs on the latest ColorOS 7.1 based on Android 10. The OPPO A92 pricing and availability will be in the description below. That's our first look of the OPPO A92. A more complete review will be available over at our website at theidealmobile.com. So give us a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to these channels, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong. See you guys soon.